Yep. Hi everyone, I want to tell a story while drawing. So apparently my other video was apparently not like take it down, but I couldn't upload it because my phone was taking up too much storage, which I clearly didn't understand why it would take the device, because I swore I cleared some of the memories. It was like, oh, you need to clear the storage before uploading, sir. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll clean it. Okay, I'll clear it. So I clear some stuff. Says, bitch, you did not just clean it. Clean more. What I did, and every time I tried to press record, it would just say, did not clear it. Clear one more time, bitch. It's like, oh, fuck, this thing. It's business. So yes, I'm a kid who swears a lot at home. And that's what comes from child friendly. You may think so. Barely. So I'm a gym time fun. I not really that type of person, but I remember my friends I swear around them. Because that's all I do. I only swear once. If you expect me to do something else, you can expect me do something cool, but I want to do uploading for a while, because if my storage keeps running down, I'm gonna get angry. Because my phone is fucking retarded, which I'm unable to put a USB in it. I don't know why would I put a USB in it. But for whatever some reason, I'm gonna try my best to, yeah, I might have tried some re-uploading some old videos, but I'm like, no, fuck, I don't care about my phone anymore. So I cleared out everything else. Which means I'm gone from existence, but I restored universe. Not really university. It's kind of a universe. Then later on, I went to my channel. Look at some comments, so I couldn't view anymore. And my views were already gone. So I didn't see him ever again. Which means that, hey, where's this kid channel? If I ever become big one day, it says, oh, let's review about his past. It'll just show those videos. But they're gonna look at it saying, oh, I'm gonna say, okay, I guess, the old channel, but when I get a new channel, probably spice it up. I'm gonna try my best, get membered. Should probably post my first video about me. Making one of those, Garfield memes. I don't know why. But I wanted to make them. They seem fun. Which I'm too lazy to do so. So, yeah, I won't be able to be uploading on the channel in the future. So, I mean, yeah, I'll upload. But on my new channel if I get one. I just don't want to upload on this one anymore, because I don't want to fucking keep this phone anymore, because it's fucking stupid as fuck. My brother broke it around January, because I don't know how, but he's saying I broke it. Which he clearly had the phone. Every time, when I had that first phone, he'll take a glance of it, he's gonna be on it all day, playing one at a time. Till he broke it, which I was glad, but upset. Which I clearly did not even know. What the hell and how do you break it? Apparently, just getting a drink or something. I don't know. I don't know why he was getting a drink on my phone, but somehow fell and cracked the screen, which basically my phone has autocorrect, so which means my phone is a smart ass. Saying, you meant to say that. Because I have words on my phone that can be published anytime. It's not really a sentence, but I have an LG, which I hate my LG for some reason. When I'm touching right there, it's basically the cracks I'm touching right now, which basically pissed me off. I'm not really that pissed off, but I'm kind of pissed off at it. It's just not like my type of thing. It's just, I don't know, it's just something. I just don't know why and how the hell he even broke it. That, my mom and my stepdad didn't get a screen protector, so I did not have a screen protector, which could protect the screen from the fall damage it took in. But I don't know how the hell they did not think about giving me one. Okay, so I'm gonna clear that out. You drop the mic so hard like Hiroshima did. Yeah. Back to the other one. So apparently, it's basically noticeable now, because there's a girl who's watching my YouTube videos. I don't know if she'll watch this one or comment on it, but here's something. I don't want to say. We had this kid, began in school, 5th grade, retarded, but good humor in a good way. Basically, he's autistic, he's stupid as fuck. Everybody hated him in the classroom because how much stupid he is. He whines about almost anything, which causes TVs to get turned off in the lunchroom for some reason. Everybody was trying to figure it out, saying, how the fuck did that get turned off? Till one of my friends, I don't know who told me, he said, friends told me, the reason why I got shut off because of Peppa Pig. George was crying, which made him cry. Which I have no idea why he would cry over that shit. I don't want to say it's a shit. Shit in the basket. Put your shit in the basket. Get over it. Which I had no idea why he would cry over Peppa Pig or something. I was like, what the fuck? The fuck do you mean? Which I was confused on, which I clearly never understood why he would clear. I need to make it more clear. Ah, shit. Oh, you fucking me right now. Fuck me in the ass. Ugh, fuck. Fucking ma. Which I am clearly. Anyways, back to the moral story. If they pull up something, don't, like, are you fine? Are you gonna fuck me? I have to use my fucking my battery charger and put my controller over it to make it hold still. You can't see. I'm sorry. Shit! If it happens one more time, I'm gonna fucking kick his ass. I'm gonna kick his ass all the way back to North Korea. Apparently it's an LG, I'm using an LG, which basically caused me to raise all my storage. LG's kind of shit. Is that? Which I am clearly confused on. And I'll always be confused on. I mean, if you don't like it, then why the fuck did you watch it? It's basically Nick Jr., I believe, which plays that show, or Nickelodeon, some shit. I don't know. Well, it'll be always known as that. Well, everyone already called him. Well, everyone already called him retarded because he was already retarded. and stupid at the same time, and autistic because his parents probably wouldn't have sex in the first place. So, how do you spell furnace? Which I am completely confused on, which I have no fucking idea how and why they forgot just like so, fucking sex causes autism. Here's a life lesson, y'all. Sex causes autism. So don't have sex. So if you don't use condoms, you're basically gonna get your girlfriend pregnant. Wearing a condom, aka wearing sperm protector, doesn't get your girlfriend pregnant. And yes, I am serious. It actually works. Now, here is the biggie. I don't know if we'll be uploading on this channel again, or I'll probably just draw some shit. Hold on. It doesn't even tell me what time it is. Okay, it's 29. May 29. Like, I don't want to be criticized or anything, but all I'm just saying, I don't know, getting criticized or not. I don't want to say it, but I want to. I'm going to say it anyways. Next time, have sex with your wife. Don't fucking use banana and bagel. Worst combination, worst time in the mall. Because you're eventually gonna get some, well, the bagel will eventually get some little banana peel. It's like if it accidentally, opens. I don't know. So make sure you wear a condom. Don't wear a condom. Actually, just if your wife's already pregnant, don't fuck with her. She's pregnant. You see, belly look like a fucking watermelon. You know it's a good time not to have sex. So that's all I have to say. I have no fucking idea why he said it. So yeah, here's in the yard. Hold on, gotta grab my phone. Fuck out of here. Chargeable controller. Basically, chargeable controller. Basically, it flashes something. Anyways, it showed. It showed it. That if it shows that, that means it's charging. Not doing that. Well, yeah, I know it's charging. So here it is, basically a blast furnace. It's basically blast furnace from Call of Duty Black Ops 3. I have nothing else to say, but yeah. Moral story: I don't know how to spell furnace for some absolute fuck reason. So yeah, this is gonna wrap it up.